Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert bullet points in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically like in Word, there is not a specific option that you can use in Microsoft Excel to add bullet points, but you can basically do a work around here, and which is basically this. Let's suppose that if you want to add some bullets point here, you will select the cell here, go to this insert option and click on symbols option here. Okay, and then from this drop down list here, you have to select this option where it says wingdings. Okay, and then basically you will scroll down and you will see this bullet point here. Okay, just select on this one and click insert. And now basically what you're gonna have to do, maybe you want your list to go for the 10 basically rows here. You will click on the edge of the cell here, and when you see this plus icon here, just drag and drop your list to this 10th row and it will automatically basically add these points here. And now basically if you want, you can basically write your text here like this one. Okay, and if you want the next thing that you can do here, basically just select all of your bullet points here, go to this home tab and make them to the right side, like align them to the right side of the cell, and here you go. So that is the easiest way to basically add bullet points in Microsoft Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.